In this video, I want to show you how to create an upsell page, which feels like still a hidden secret that a lot of small business owners don't know, but this can automatically increase your sales without doing anything else for it. It's just a one-time setup. It's pretty cool. If you're new here, my name is Rianna. I help small business owners just like you set up simple systems and help you save time, attract more clients, and grow with ease. This is something you're interested in, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming tutorials. All right, let's dive in to your upsell page.
Right, I don't know if you've seen the previous video, but I explained about the order form. Today we're going to look at the upsell page. And so I want to do a quick recap. This is the order form page that I've created. You can create your own version of it, of course, but this was the part we talked about in the previous video. Now we want to talk about the upsell page, because what is an upsell page? It is literally when somebody buys this product, they click on place order, they're going to be redirected to a page. I have their credit card details now already, not me, but the platform, of course. So all I can guide them to is say, yes, add this to my order. And if they click on it, it will just be deducted from their credit card and they immediately get access to this one as well. Or no, I don't want to take advantage of this offer. Now, obviously, you want to be very careful. You don't want to trick anybody. I had it set up like a year ago, a little bit differently. And I had a couple of people who said, oh, I clicked on yes, add this to my order, but I didn't know the price. And now I bought something that I didn't want. Of course, I refunded them and I changed my system. This is how you keep updating and upgrading. And whenever you go on, I love to click on ads and see what other people are doing. And whenever you see something, learn from it and improve and make it better for your customer experience. But this is the idea of an upsell page. So they don't have to, again, decide on this price in the sense of adding their credit card details or whatever it is. It is very little effort to just add that to their offer or say, no, I don't want to take advantage of this offer. If they say yes, this is going to be not automatically sent, that you who needs to set that up. But if they say no, they immediately go to the end of the cycle and that would be the thank you page. Or, and I'm not going to explain that, you can also set up a downsell page. So then a downsell, you want to have a price a little bit lower, of course. And then it's going to be redirected to the thank you page. Now, how do you do that? An upsell page, very easy. You add a step. Let's call it test. And you literally choose here upsell or downsell. So let's say upsell, you can choose a template. You start from scratch. So let's see what that looks like if you choose a template. And you see this everywhere on websites, all around the internet. And you can literally use one of these templates. It's amazing what they've created. Click on select, click on edit page. And now you can make all the changes you want to make this page yours, right? Here are the two buttons. How are they going to be activated? Well, we do exactly what we did in the previous video. You're going to go here down, you create a digital product, you do exactly what I explained in the other one. You give it a name, you add a resource, you add a tag. And so you need to set that up before, otherwise you're not going to be able to find your tag. And this tag is going to help you understand who bought what, but it's also going to help in the automations. I would highly recommend watch the video about the checkout page that I recorded. I'm going to make sure that I put that in the description below as well, because that's going to help you understand all of this to set that up. But it's exactly the thing for the order form. You set that up for the upsell page. And then all you have to do is just make sure that you have these buttons here. And I would suggest add the price, because then you don't get the same situation that I had. And that's it. You'll check the desktop version. You'll check the mobile version if anything needs to be added or changed there. And then you have an upsell page created.
That's it. You've now created an upsell page that automatically increases your sales. Pretty cool, right? This video was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe to not miss out on any upcoming tutorials about System.io, Backend, like whatever I can come up with. If you have any ideas or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to record something that is actually relevant to my community. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to create a thank you page. And There are some hidden features also that I would love to share with you that I've seen in my own practice and in the practice of my clients that can really help you up your game. So I've linked the video below and you find it here in the screen.